Welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. Today I'll show you how to safely pasteurize eggs at home. Pasteurized eggs are great for recipes that use raw or partially cooked eggs, like homemade mayonnaise or desserts. Let's get started. To pasteurize eggs, all you need is a deep pot, fresh eggs, water, a thermometer, and ice water for cooling. Start by placing the eggs in a deep pot, then cover them completely with cold water. Heat the water slowly over low heat. Bring the temperature up to 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, 140 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to monitor it closely to avoid overheating. Once the water reaches 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, 140 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, keep the eggs in this temperature range for 3 to 4 minutes. Be careful not to let the temperature rise above 65 degrees Celsius, 149 degree, as this will start to cook the eggs. Be sure to monitor it closely to avoid overheating. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and immediately place the eggs in ice-cold water to cool for a few minutes. This stops any further cooking. And that's it. Your eggs are now pasteurized and safe to use in raw or lightly cooked recipes like homemade sauces, desserts, and more. Disclaimer: this method is designed to reduce the risk of foodborne illness by pasteurizing eggs. Ensure that you follow all steps carefully to avoid undercooking the eggs. This method may not completely eliminate all risks. If you have any health concerns, consult a healthcare professional before consuming lightly cooked or raw eggs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and recipes. See you next time.